If you get a letter saying you're no longer going to get help paying for Medicare Part B, your premium and your copays, chances are this is all related to COVID. So normally when you get assistance, you have to reapply every year to show that you still meet the income and the asset requirement for the program. But due to COVID, there were 4 years where they said, we're not going to make anybody reapply. If you have a benefit, just keep it. And then they've slowly, the last 2 years, been kicking everybody off that their income exceeded the limit, or they inherited something, got an asset, and they're just a little bit over the limit. So people are like, what? I've been on this for years. Yeah. So you can reapply, and it can take a little while to reapply, but for the Medicare Savings Program, you can go to Medicare Savings Program in your state, reapply online. Now, if your income is a little bit higher, and maybe it's because you just now started getting your Social Security, so you're not going to qualify, there are other programs that might help you with Medicare, such as a federal program called Extra Help. So the Medicare Savings Program is through the state, through the feds is Extra Help, and that'll help you if you qualify, lower the cost of your drugs. The Medicare Savings Program can help pay for Medicare Part B. So this is for people that really need some help, that are afraid of going on Medicare. So like, I can't really afford Medicare Part B, and I can't really afford. There are assistance programs out there. Go apply for them. If you need help, give us an email at hello@the-Medicare Family. We answer emails to help people sort out the Medicare maze. If you're getting ready to go on Medicare because you're getting ready to turn 65, go check out my Medicare workshop. It is free, and it'll tell you when to apply, where to apply, what to expect if you're brand new to Medicare. Go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. In the middle of the page, there's a little tab that says resources. Click there. There's a lot of good free resources if you're getting ready to go on Medicare for you to look at. But take the Medicare workshop. It's only about 20 minutes. It's free. We don't ask for your phone number. We're not going to call you. No obligation. But if you're getting ready to go on Medicare, that's a great place to start. And if you learned something in this video, please give me a follow. Thanks.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.